Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And I have the February Silver Swag Box. Y'all, this box is so much fun. It does say on it, stay connected. That's what it's all about. It's a special delivery and it's to stay connected with your family, whether they live right in the same household as you or whether they're somewhere else and you can stay connected with them. Brandy and Ashley are sisters and they created this box back when COVID was, pretty new. And they wanted to be able to get in touch with their aunt and let their aunt know that they still loved and cared for her and they couldn't go visit her. So they started sending her boxes and this became their business. And it usually includes things like a fun activity, a home item, holiday decor, personal care item, treats, fun gadgets, and there's a stay connected card. So you can ask each other questions to keep a dialogue going when you talk on the phone. Or you know how sometimes an older person just doesn't talk that much. You might, can open them up a little bit. So let's see what's inside. It's always a great fun box. I did cut it open. And inside it says, oh, look at that, how cute that. They personalize everything. The February box, look at how pretty that sticker is. It has books. Now I do know that this theme is about books. I saw one spoiler, I think. I try not to look at the spoilers. And then when you pull that back, this is what it looks like. I might, let's see. That's what it looks like, okay? Let's see what's in there. All right, right on top are our cards. From the Library of Silver Swag Box. Oops, I'm sorry, I'm moving the camera. Hitting the cord. It's not the cat's fault this time. From the Library of Silver Swag Box, for the love of books, connecting with loved ones. And this is the Connect card, the Stay Connected card. And there are questions on the back like, have you ever written or tried to write a book? That's a really good question. And, especially for your elders, because, you can write the book for them, get their story down, that would be really cool. And then the other card says, thanks for being a part of Silver Swag Box. Send love, stay connected. And it has their address. And then on the back, it has what's in the box itself. So let's see what's in here. I'm going to just start picking things out. Ooh, this is really nice. These are Harney & Sons brand. This is a red raspberry herbal tea sachets. We're on the same page. Nothing pairs better with a good book than a cup of tea. Enjoy the fruity caffeine-free blend anytime during the day or night. I bet that's wonderful. And they're wrapped individually, which is nice. You can use them when you want to. You can carry that with you, and you go into a restaurant and you don't like the tea they have, you can take that out of your purse, just order some boiling water or just put their tea aside and use your own. Then we have, this box is big. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is, what is the, oh my goodness, I can't read that because it's almost the same color as, Too Good Gourmet. Too Good Gourmet. Let me show it to you and then I'll read about it. These are Valentine's soft bake red velvet cake cookies. Oh my goodness, I love red velvet, y'all. I never really, I knew of red velvet, but I never really was into it. But here in the South, it's a big deal. A lot of people have red velvet cakes and things like that. Delicious, decadent, and the perfect reading snack. These are so delicious, you'll have to have some serious shelf control, it says, to put them down. I don't know if I can do it. We might open that at the end if we have time. Let's see. And next we have Deanna Gourmet Popcorn. Kettle popcorn in sweet singles. This is, well, I don't see it on here. Okay. That's okay. It's an extra treat. And on the treats, as far as the treats go, if you have dietary needs, the ladies will take care of you. Just let them know. If you're sending to your aunt and she's, has some, whatever the case may be, she has some dietary issues, they will pick snacks that accommodate your diet, which is so wonderful. And oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, there's something, this is, I don't know what this is. Oh, hang on a minute. That fell. This is the thing that I saw. And I had to inquire, what is that? Okay, so this is Wooden Ties and Gifts. It's by wooden book page holder. This beautiful wooden page holder Makes it easy to hold your book open with one hand. So comfy and helpful. It's a real breath of fresh air, like Jane Eyre. Let me show you. Let me show you. If I have a book right here. I have this book from another box that I, you know, in my lifetime, how many times are you reading a book and you have it open and you can't, you know, you're trying to hold it like this and you're, you know, I do that, stirring the cake batter, and you lose your page because this flips out of your hand. So what this does is it sets into the book like this, and your thumb goes through it. So it holds it open for you. Isn't that ingenious? I thought of this when not really, but I wish I had thought of this when I was a kid, because I would always be reading and doing something else, always as a kid, as a teenager. And I am disappointed in myself for not creating this because that is the coolest thing. And it's beautiful too. It's very soft. It's very well made and sanded, if that's, yeah, sanded. And it's just a beautiful piece of wood, beautiful piece of wood. So it's by Wooden Ties and Gifts. That is beautiful. And then there is this, is really cool. I've never had one of these, and I've always wanted one of these. This is called the Really Tiny Booklight. It's getting late, but you just want to get through one more chapter. We've been there. The handy booklight is here for your late night page turners. So this is, let me see how, I'm going to assume clips under your book so that you can read in the dark. And I am assuming, well, I don't know if it's going to be batteries. I don't see that, or if it's going to be, let's see, I'm going to take it out of here. It's really nicely wrapped too. Look at that. Oops. Oh, look at that. It's so cool. So that's the line. Oh, there is a battery in there, and you pull the tab to get the battery started. I'm not going to do it just yet. So this is, and then you click on it to turn it on. So you'll put this on your book. I'll show you another page from this book. All right, put this on. You'll clip it. It's really cool, y'all. So, you know, if you have a mate that you're sleeping in bed with and they want to go to sleep and you want to still read and you don't want to get up and go to the couch, this won't bother them so much. Or even for yourself if you just want the lights off. See how it's clipped on the pages, and then there it is. And you can move it down depending on how much light you need. Isn't that the coolest? And there is a little battery in there. Like I said, I'll just pull that when I'm ready to use it. Very cool. And that is by If USA, the Really Tiny Booklight. And then, y'all, we have something from Kate Spade. Kate Spade in my silver swag. I'm so excited. This is a canvas tote bag. I'm gonna have to move back a little bit. Look at how pretty it is, y'all. Let me get it out of the bag. It's very nicely wrapped in this bag. It's one of these bags that you can reuse. Or if you want to gift this to someone, you can put it back in this bag. Oh, this is beautiful. I did see this. Now that I did see this. It is a canvas bag. It is valued at $26.95. The box itself is $49.99 a month. You can get it by the month, or you can get it by 6 months or 12 months. And if you get it by the month, there's a $5 shipping fee. If you get it by 6 months or more, then there's no shipping fee. But look at this bag, is nice. It has a flat bottom. And so it has, oh, this is really nice. Here's the handles. And then here is the beautiful pictures on both sides. So it says Kate Spade, New York. Isn't that the cutest? Bauhaus and Sonnets. Isn't that beautiful, yo? There's a greyhound dog that is the book holder, the bookend. That is so pretty. And it is the same on the other side. And it's got lots of room. You can see because it has that flat bottom, it has lots of room. You can carry all your books in here. You can use this for the grocery store. And here is the Kate Spade label on it. So fancy schmancy here. Bookshelf book tote is what it's called. The bookshelf book tote. I love that. That is so cool. Thank you so much to Silver Swag Box, to the lovely ladies. Brandy and Ashley are the sisters that make this box. We have that beautiful bag. We have the booklight. This is just wrapped so neat. We have the kettle popcorn, which is not on the, it's an extra added bonus. We have the red velvet cookies, y'all. You know I want to get into those. We have the tea. You know, what else is better than to sit and read and have a cup of tea? That's what I like to do. And did I get everything? Because sometimes I do forget things. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the coolest thing. The coolest thing. I mean, that's what I like about this box. They come up with ingenious items. The silver swag box. This is the, you know, hold your book open. Isn't that just the coolest thing, y'all? I just think that's so cool. Thank you so much to Silver Swag Box. They do send this to me free for review, y'all. And I really enjoy this box. And also Smudge enjoys this box a lot. Thank y'all for stopping by. I'll put pictures on Instagram if you'd like to see the items up close. Thanks for stopping by and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.